Hello, I'm in a 2016 Dodge Ram ProMaster City, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first from the driver's side, we'll pop down and we'll see this little release lever which we'll pull. And that should pop that safety release that holds it shut. If there's no tension in this at all, you might need to check behind this plastic, make sure everything's attached to all the cables properly. Up here the hood's slightly loose now, so now we can fit our fingers in. And here there's a lever we're going to pinch and lift. So pinch and lift. And there we go. That's what that little lever looks like. So make sure nothing's stuck in here, nothing bent or broken, no debris needs cleaned out. If it's sticking quite a bit, maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen it. That's where it's hooked onto here. But also make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause issues too. And this one's gone, but usually there's a little arm you can put up to help hold the hood up for you. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.